yourself like a robot. Drop it. Robot brain. Robot brain.
So, even though the video didn't have nothing to do with the topic at hand today in no way, me see it and me like it and it make me laugh. So I say, yo, me bring it to you and me gonna get a laugh too. Alright, but we are gonna jump to the topic right now. Wagwan people, so hold on, one of the things this week was gonna be no episode showing of the dancehall drama series. Nah man, on out of mind if you don't feel say this week was gonna be different from any other week. Every single week there is a drama series in the dancehall entertainment space in Jamaica, and this week is absolutely no different because this week Spice headed for legal battle with VP Records. Yes, that we come to talk about. So allegedly it seems like Spice is about to sue VP Records. That we're gonna talk about right after this.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that means them can't stop ya.
Welcome back viewers and subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button because we're there for talk about Spice and we always bring on the drama every single week. Wagwan na dancehall, keep on updated. And as I said before, this week is all about Spice. So the article says, so the world has been waiting with bated breath more than a decade for an album from dancehall's newest queen, Spice. There have been several dates announcing the release of a debut compilation from the dancehall diva, but an album is yet to materialize. Earlier this year, Spice told her fans via social media that she has absolutely no control over the album's release date, as her record label VP Records has been giving her the runaround. In a feisty Instagram live video back in February, Spice told fans to go ask Nasty Holland. You better me play this, man.
Alright, so what do you want me to talk? I need to talk about somebody late. What I need to talk about? I have something I want to talk about. Because you know I'm not hold my mouth. Here, let's talk about your album. Go ask Dirty VP about it. Go ask Dirty VP about the album. Nasty Dirty VP. What you mean Gracie don't say that? Yeah, Jimmy, I have a blood clot at the truth. Dirty VP now want to put out my album. Every minute them tell me say the album soon come. Yeah, you never know. From 2009, them say the album soon come. Remember, say a whole heap of time me telling you say album a come. It's not me, I have no control over it. My vice and give them, ask them and comfort. Go ask Nasty Dirty Stinking VP where the album there. And them wanna forget ask because me don't know what else to tell you say. Because me don't want to feel like I'm a lie to you. So I have to ask Dirty VP. Yeah, and them full of story. That's all them depend. Them say the album soon come. So go ask them. Safari laugh, Dirty VP.
Alright, so when you hear it from yourself out of Spice's mouth. Fans have not heard much regarding the situation since February, but in a recent interview, the entertainer said she will be heading to court very soon. Last Friday, Spice explained that the album delay results from differences between her and VP Records. I signed a contract with them, which is VP, from 2009, and that's the worst decision I've ever made in my life, she said. Up to this day, from 2009, they have not released an album with me, and I'm so ready now to battle them in court because I have to fight for my fans. My fans need an album from me. They, which is VP, have left me no other choice or nothing else to resort to but to fight them in court because of this contract. I've just started the process because I've given them 10 years. The entertainer, who is currently gearing up for her birthday party at O'Neill's Place on Agley Park Road tomorrow night, blasted a VP for doing nothing for her since she signed with them. I don't disclose a lot of things about my career. How hard I work, how I do everything by myself. I finance my entire career by myself because the record companies does absolutely nothing for me, Spice said. I promote my own music and I want to tell all the young artists not to make the same mistake I made because it's really haunting me right now. Spice said there were many things she could tell many young artists based on her mistakes she made in her past. Never sign a contract when you're too young. Give it a few years. Try to be independent and even put out your first album on your own. Do not sign away your publishing, she said. VP Records could not be reached for a comment up to this time. This is not the first time a dancehall artist has expressed the belief that their careers have been held back somewhat because of contracts signed with record labels. Just last year, Ding Dong said the very same thing. He said he missed out on a deal with American producers and label owners Swizz Beatz due to a signing with VP Records. So, viewers, subscribers, more want to comment in the comment section. Tell me how you feel. Yes, I mean, because as a matter of fact, from 2009, if she signed a contract from 2009 and she not see the benefits of signing with them, why should she sign a contract? You understand? Maybe signing with a lot of these record companies right now in 2018 is not even necessary because everything is social media right now. An artist doesn't really need a record label anymore because right now what the record label's doing for you, you can do for yourself. You understand what I say? So as Spice said, our advice to all young artists coming up, don't sign away your rights to no record label because at the end of the day you can do what them are going to do for yourself. Everything is all about social media. You can promote yourself. You can be your own road manager. You can do everything all by yourself. You don't need no record label right now in this day and age. Back in the days, yeah, you used to need record labels because them had all of the contacts, them all had all the links. You understand? But nowadays everything is online. Everything is all about the internet. Everything is all about links and connections, and you can make that through the internet these days. So no young artists really need a record label right now anymore. You understand? You see, Ding Dong say make the same mistake signing with VP and then him miss a deal with Swizz Beatz, international label Swizz Beatz. You understand me as a viewer, subscribers? Watch you now, no? I'm not even going to stay up on this too long. Comment in the comment section. Talk to me. Make we have a conversation about it. You understand? I always try to respond to every single comment where you comment. So, comment down there. Make we have a conversation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because guess what? I'm unstoppable and don't make nobody stop you. Me gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.